Sheikh, my question is regarding prayer, that when I pray behind an Imam, and whether it's a silent namaz or a loud namaz, in the first two rakats, I know that the Imam reads Surah Fatiha and then he also recites an ayah, and in the third and fourth rakat, he doesn't do that, and I do the same following him. But I have noticed, and it's not regarding one particular Imam, whenever I'm praying in the masjid, that they recite Surah Fatiha probably with a much faster pace in the third and fourth rakat, because they quickly go into the raku when I'm reciting the Surah Fatiha. So is there any case, is there any ruling that you have to recite Surah Fatiha faster in the third and fourth rakat?
The answer is no. The Fatiha's pace is the same in all four rak'ahs. So if you're praying Dhuhr, the speed of which you recite the Fatiha as an Imam or an individual or a follower is the same in all four rak'ahs. Unfortunately, a lot of those who lead the prayers don't have knowledge. And a very essential part of knowledge for the Imam is to be aware of those praying behind him. So even if you recite the Fatiha, and most likely you will recite it in a fast fashion, you have to pay attention that behind you, there are those who find it difficult to read it as fast as you. They have problems with pronunciation. So if you recite it in an X given amount of seconds, you should add more seconds to that just for those behind you, so that they would not be rushed into cutting their Fatiha and then their prayer is invalid because you did not give them time to recite the Fatiha. Unfortunately, the vast majority of those people who lead prayers, especially in small masjids, don't have knowledge. So they just read the Fatiha, I mean, Allah Akbar, not paying attention to the Fatiha, to how it should be recited, to how they should contemplate. And our episode is about pondering, contemplating on verses of the Quran. How did the Prophet ﷺ react to such verses? These people don't. All what they care about is how many rak'ahs they're concluding, how many verses of the Quran they have read, especially in Taraweeh, if they finish the Quran during Ramadan or not. And this is not the right thing to do.